5 self-driving capability promises to keep drivers rested and focused, creating a safer environment for everyone on the road. Using a unique blind spot detection method and an advanced radar system that detects traffic in 360 degrees, the self-driving mode was tested at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour down the Autobahn. Within the truck's interior, future drivers will be treated to first-class accommodation, with a swiveling driver's seat, shaped wood flooring, and ambient lighting. The cockpit includes several display screens and a tablet in the center console. With the future truck 2025, vision and foresight have become reality. On May 5, 2015, in a grand nighttime spectacle at the iconic Hoover Dam, the Freightliner Inspiration truck was unveiled to the world. Arguably one of the most stunningly attractive trucks ever made, this heavy-duty dream machine is the first autonomous commercial vehicle to operate on an open public highway in the United States. Its spectacular lighting teases the imagination and hints at the amazing innovations engineered into its design. Under proper traffic and environmental conditions, its self-driving technology allows the driver to hand over full control to an onboard computer. Because autonomous control of large vehicles in crowded city traffic is still problematic for any computer to flawlessly handle, this type of control is left to the driver. Self-driving mode can take over on tiring, monotonous highway runs for lane stability, collision avoidance, speed control, braking, steering, and general road keeping. It also alerts the driver when to take control. Short and long-range radar scans the road out to a maximum of 820 feet in an 18-degree arc. The Inspiration's interior includes leather upholstery, spacious sleeping quarters, and immaculate wood flooring. Video displays replace the exterior mirrors, reducing blind spots and wind drag, and a large computer screen adorns the dashboard. The Freightliner Inspiration is a truck driver's dream. Calling Walmart shoppers everywhere. Walmart has invented a new super fuel-efficient truck for delivering all of your goodies. In a serious attempt to cut costs and keep prices low, Walmart has partnered with the biggest names in trucking to create the Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, or WAVE. With names like Peterbilt, Great Dane Trailers, Capstone Turbine, and others lending their expertise to the project, the retail megagiant is obviously not kidding around, combining a micro-turbine hybrid powertrain with an electric motor and battery storage system. This truck can run on diesel, natural gas, biodiesel, and probably a few others which have yet to be invented. The cab includes a full-size sleeping area and an all-inclusive LED dash that's customizable to suit the driver's preferences. The trailer, which is the first ever built from carbon fiber, uses the largest carbon fiber panels ever made. Reportedly, this will decrease the truck's weight by about 4,000 pounds as compared to current standards, saving a lot of fuel. To cut back even further on transportation costs, the WAVE's front end and fenders are constructed to be extremely aerodynamic. If the WAVE can result in lower store prices, we say bring it on. For a look at another insane self-driving semi-truck, here's the Nikola One. No doubt named after the 20th century electrical genius Nikola Tesla, this truck of the future will run on a combination of 6 electric motors and natural gas. The company claims the prototype has achieved 100% zero emissions. If true, that's a major step forward. They also say this hybrid hauler is able to pull 80,000 pounds for more than 1,000 miles without stopping. Now that's just crazy. Advanced Electronics offer full surround vision, with a host of information available on computerized displays. In the Nikola One, over-the-road hauling could end up being more fun than work. This might be the strangest looking bus you've ever seen. This is the Extraordinary Transit Elevated Bus, or TEB, from Beijing company Transit Explore Bus. Referred to as one of China's traffic congestion and air pollution solutions, this audacious rolling electric vehicle is in its first phase of testing on the streets. Resembling a catamaran on land, this unconventional creation actually rolls right above cars, buses, and pedestrians on the street below. Spreading itself across 2 lanes of traffic, the TEB rides on tracks which run along either side of the road, with 2 meters of clearance. While that's plenty of clearance for most vehicles, if you or your car is taller than 6.6 feet, it's time to get out of the way. Traveling at speeds of up to 60 kilometers an hour, this bus will actually benefit the environment by saving 800 tons of fuel and 2,480 tons of carbon emissions each year. At around 16% of the cost of a subway, the TEB could save the Chinese government a fortune in operating costs. Each bus will transport up to 1,400 passengers, and with China's current level of traffic problems, the TEB offers a unique and innovative solution. Don't look now, but the day is coming when your bus or taxi may not have a driver on board at all. One such vehicle already in service is this bantamweight minibus, the Navya Arma, a 15-passenger fully autonomous shuttle that can be used to run a pickup and drop-off route within a predetermined area. Arma can also be employed to pick up call-for-service passengers. Fully electric and wirelessly charged, the vehicle can run continuously for 8 to 24 hours at up to 45 kilometers per hour. Arma is now being employed mostly at private sites, like the EDF nuclear plant at Civaux, France. Arma uses virtually every sensor in general use today to find its way around, including LiDAR to get a 3D map of the surrounding environment, and stereo vision cameras for obstacle detection and relative position. A GPS sensor communicates with a central station to determine the precise position of the vehicle. That function is also assisted by the odometer, which uses wheel speed and rotation for pinpoint locational accuracy. In addition to use at industrial sites, airports, and hospitals, the Navya Arma will soon be set out on the open road. Another fascinating driverless shuttle making its debut at various locations is EasyMiles EZ10. Very similar in look and design to the Arma, the EZ10 incorporates most of the same navigational technologies. Fully electric, the EZ10 has a 12-hour operational time on a single charge of its lithium-ion batteries, traveling autonomously along a preset route for a maximum of 80 kilometers at up to 20 kilometers per hour. Its operational features can be set to any of 3 modes. In Metro mode, the EZ10 stops at all stations along a route. Bus mode allows passengers to stop and disembark by request, and patrons can call ahead for pickup in pickup mode. A retractable ramp can be deployed at any stop. Maximum passenger load is 12 persons, with 6 passengers standing and 6 more seated. The EZ10 further proves that surely the future is now. City dwellers in Amsterdam recently got a glimpse of what public transportation could look like in the very near future, as Mercedes-Benz unveiled its Future Bus with City Pilot on a 20-kilometer trial run, a milestone of technological advancement for planners of next-generation urban life. The Future Bus combines connectivity, cameras, and radar systems for a huge step toward fully automated mass transit. Despite having a human attendant in the driver's seat to keep an eye on things, Future Bus is completely autonomous. The advanced City Pilot system, designed to improve efficiency, safety, and comfort, employs 10 cameras, GPS, and long and short-range radar systems. These systems work together to provide forward